Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mask Monday. And I'm going to put this mask on and then I'll talk to you a little bit about it and I'll tell you about what's on my eyes. If you can see, these have little specks in them. I'll tell you about that in a minute. This mask, even though it has that cat on it, it does not have, it's not a character mask. Oh, it's just refreshing. It says it's aloe vera, which is what it smells like. So it's just a regular plain mask, and I need help. I need help. It goes, here it was winter, and now it's back, now it's spring, and then it'll go back to winter. So the heat is on and off in my skin, and I'm sure we're all going through similar things. If you're not having spring back and forth, you're probably just in horrible heats, you know, because of the coldness outside. The heat just keeps running and it's very dry, and we need to hydrate. We need to hydrate our skin as well as our bodies. So don't forget to do your masking. I think it's especially important at these times when we need extra, we need extra hydration is what I mean. This is a nice mask. The plainest masks I got from Boxycharm sales, Ipsy sales, whatever. It started with Boxycharm, and then that's when Ipsy took them, changed it all. And I had 3 different kinds. There was a fox, they sold them for a while. The fox and the, I can't remember. There was a bulldog. And I forgot what was the third one. I'm thinking it was a penguin or something. It's possible. Whatever it was. I don't know where this cat one came from. So if you sent this to me, I do apologize. Usually when somebody sends one to me, I write on the back the name. There's no name. So it's possible that I got this from Face Story. I used to belong to them. I've gotten mystery bundles from them and things like that. So it's possible it's from them. Because they do sell their own masks, but when in their monthly subscription, they sell other masks as well. It could have come from somewhere else. I could have got it in Ipsy mystery bundles. You know what I mean? So I don't know. Let me use something to try to get this to stay down. If you're not talking, these do a little bit better. Feels like I don't have it on just quite right. But anyway, okay. So this is from Jun Cosmetics. This is Green Tea Eye Gel Patch. And these we get in all kinds of boxes. I've had them before. They come on in this little tray that you open, and then they're right there, and they're green tea. I'm telling you, well, I like eye masks. They're very soothing. These, when I put them on, they say they're soothing, but they are extremely soothing. And I think this is true for me most of the time of a sheet mask. So, anyway, yeah, this is very nice. So this is, I'm saying Planist, Planist. Don't know how to say it, but how cute is that cat? So this one says hydrating facial mask, and it says down here aloe vera. And does it say, they always say on there somewhere about how long to put it on, but who knows where that is right now. 10 to 20 minutes on the mask, 20 to 30 minutes on the eye masks. I already had those on. So anyway, I don't really have much for you today. I do want to tell you that I'm in the Dollar Tree train for Valentine's Day, and it's called Cupid Winter, and that went up last week Sunday, so you've got another week to watch and watch all there's 11 channels involved, to watch it all and to enter our giveaways. You might as well, if you're watching anybody, you might as well, because you have to comment on all the channels, so you might as well enter the giveaways. That's what I say. I'd go for it. You just never know when your name's going to come up. And I feel like I have, well, of course, my treasure trove is always going on. Oh, I have an I One So You Can Win that I put up this past week. There may be more. I don't know. But I have been sorting. I'm trying to clean a few things out, and I'm trying to sort. And I went through some, yesterday I showed a video, I went through some little things. And in my sorting and organizing, I have these fabulous containers I got a year or two ago that have drawers to them, and you know, but I don't have it organized very well. So I'm trying to organize some. I found, well, I didn't find, yes I did. All right, let me start again. I found this box. So do y'all know what this box is? It's special. I bought a bunch of these. At the time, they were on sale on Boxycharm. Goes back a while. This is a Natasha Denona palette. And these palettes, I don't know if it's just that they're old or what the deal is, but they don't have names. It was called the Eyeshadow Palette 5. And there were different color stories. I'm looking to see, I'm not seeing. Okay, I have, from that time frame, they had this type of a palette. And then there is the more modern palettes. So they had both of these that they were selling different shadows with. This actually came in this older one, and then it came in the newer one. And I bought both, and I gave the newer one. I just ordered a couple, and they sent me an older one and a newer one. And I sent them, I gave it as a giveaway. The older one has a place for a brush, but there was no brush with this. So since I'm organizing, I thought I would take these out and look at them again, because I don't use them very often, but you can see I've used it. I love it. They're beautiful. So I'm going to swatch these two, and then I'm going to show you what I found in that box, y'all. So these are my colors. We got purple going on. We've got golds and browns going on. Love it. Okay. So I do have a little thing to wipe my fingers here, and a towel. So I can, there's 5 colors in here. And they have color names. Whoops, I put a little too much on here, but well. So love it. This is me. It's me. It's me. So why am I not using it? Because it got shoved to the back of my cabinet. So these have, it's Golden Flesh, Smoky Plum, Sienna, Electric Violet, and Deep Slate Gray. Those are the color names. No name to the palette itself, okay? Well, palette number 12. I just found that on there, okay? So this other one that I have, this one has a name. This came out a little bit later. This was like 3-4 years ago. This was maybe 1-2 years ago. So this is called Ayana. And I got the different palette that had that yellow in it and that what looked like black, but it turned out to be a really fabulous blue. I traded this with Carol Gardner because she got this one and she didn't like it, and she liked the other one. We swapped. So this is Ayana. And this one is also me. Neutrals and some shimmers going on there. So, and there's 3 mattes, 2 shimmers. I'm all about shimmers, y'all. I'm all about shimmers. So you can make a cool look out of there. You can make a warm look out of there. You can mix and match these. It's just a matter of grabbing them, you know, finding them and grabbing them. And I do love the way the newer, even though they're old now, the newer, I think that, well, actually, she does, Natasha Denona does use this component, I do believe, with her newer stuff. But see how that old one is? Okay. So in organizing, I found this one, and this one is so me. I know I just said that about everything. This is eyeshadow palette number 5. So why am I not using it? I need to use it. I'm going to use it. So I'm going to put it on right now. This has 3 shimmers, and that one feels loose. 3 shimmers and 2 mattes. So let's put these here. Oh my goodness. See, they all go so well together too. I hope that's okay. I'm going to just see. Okay, it didn't fall out. I just try to see if it would fall out, but it didn't, so that's good. This is gorgeous, and this is gorgeous. So these are here. That's that color story. This one and this one. So you can mix and match a lot of these together. They're, I really like them. I wish that I could have something to put them all together with. I don't know why I say that, because I don't have any room for it. But gorgeous. These are, let's see, Satin Skin, Vintage, Aubergine, True Gold, and Nina's Orchid. I don't know, did I tell you these? I don't think I did. Hey, Blue. Harlow, whoops, Harlow, Lash Line, Satin Skin, Crease, and Glam Green. And that one, it says Glam Green. It's very metally looking, metally looking, but it also has like a duo, it's this one, like a duo-y chrome kind of thing going on there. So anyway, so that's all I got for you today, y'all. I just am excited that I found that palette. I know that when these were around, I bought a bunch of them because they were cheap, like $12.50. And these things, I don't know what the price of these 5-piece ones are, but I don't know. Her stuff's expensive. $35, $40, something like that. I don't know. This, when this one came around, it came as a, you know, one of the items you got in your Boxy. So, but yeah, I'm loving this. You'll see some looks here soon with these now that I found them again. These two have been in my cabinet. I just haven't, they've been buried. So, to some extent. Thank you all for stopping by, and count your blessings. Have a wonderful Monday and a wonderful rest of the week. And it's very spring-like here, y'all, but I do think we might have some winter coming soon. So stay safe wherever you are, whatever your weather's like. Stay safe, y'all. Take care. Bye-bye.